Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bhavna Bharadwaj and welcome to Divine Miracles. So I have come here today to inform you all about a very important event, physically as well as spiritually, which will take place on 8th August. So basically three energies are getting activated on 8th August. I will tell you about the third one little later, but let's talk about the first two ones. So first one is new moon, and you all know that new moon is a very good time to manifest, to bring new energies in your life, to ask anything, and if you're ready you will receive that from the universe. Now the second one is little more powerful and it's little more important as it happens once in a year. So it is known as Lionsgate portal activation. Now first let me tell you that what is portal. Portal is an opening. Something opens in the cosmic power, something opens in the universe where you come into that alignment. Once you are properly aligned, you start receiving, and it's a very good time to actually bring all those manifestations in your life which you are doing for such a long time and maybe it was not happening. Now, what is Lionsgate portal activation? So the Leo sun and the bright star Sirius, when they come together in connection, a cosmic alignment is formed, and that is called Lionsgate portal. That cosmic alignment is actually very, very powerful for us as spiritual beings and as human beings, both. So if you align to that energy, just imagine how powerful it will become. I'm having goosebumps when I'm talking. Just imagine that, wow, it will be so powerful, right? So, and it is happening on 8th August. Now, this is the third thing. 8 and 8 means the number of abundance. 8 represents infinity, which is never ending, and it also represents the abundance energy. So when you get this activated on 8th August, that means the infinite abundance flow will start coming into you, into your life. You will also align spiritually. If you're looking for spiritual growth, it will be wonderful for you. Or if you're looking something in your physical reality, you will attract that also in you. So I am basically keeping two events. One is new moon ritual aligned with this Lionsgate portal activation. And the second one is only the activation for Lionsgate's portal. So if you want to take part in both, you are most welcome to do that. Or if you just want that this activation should be done on you and you should be aligned to this energy, you're most welcome to have that. And let me tell you, when I was just connecting to Creator, what I saw that once you get this activated, automatically a lot of things that you were missing or you were not able to understand, something was going here and there, everything will come in the alignment. And once you are aligned, everything falls in place. The things become easy, the things become more clear, and then it becomes achievable. You can achieve them successfully. So just connect to yourself, ask yourself, what do you want? Do you want to be the part of ritual, or you want to be the part of activation, or you want to have both things for yourself? Whatever the case may be, it is 8th August. I believe in number 8 a lot. That actually brings abundance, that actually brings prosperity, that actually brings happiness in our life. So whatever you feel like, whatever you want to have for yourself, just connect to yourself and let me know. I'll be there for you. So just enjoy this day. And as this activation happens, you will start feeling a lot of shifts coming in you. So just prepare yourself for those beautiful shifts. Okay, so bye. Take care for now. And we will meet back again on 8th August 2021. Bye. Take care.